Menu Additions is a tool that lets you add extras and modifiers to any of your products, such as ingredients for a burger or the type of bread that you want. To create a new category of additions, click on the New Category button, choose a name for it, and choose the minimum and maximum amounts. Next, we will select which full category or specific products these additions will be available for. Lastly, we will choose the additions. They can be either an existing product from your menu, or they can be a newly added extra or modifier, such as sauce. If the addition is a product from your menu, or it's an extra that you want to charge for, you will need to add a price and a VAT level for it. This field can also be left blank for products or modifiers that don't require a price. A common use case is sauces for a burger or for meat. In this case, we have several to choose from, and they don't have a cost as it is included in the price of the main product, but we still need to know the client's preference. We can also have the option of no sauce at all, by setting the minimum amount required to 0. Another good way of using this tool would be to ask the client how done they want their meat. In this case, we offer them the 3 regular options, but they have to choose at least one of them, and only one.